up, guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a good day. You guys are on my tripod here. In my background, you guys just saw that a beautiful edit. I'm gonna set you right here and do a little bit of talking. This is my Toyota Celica GTS. It's a 2003. That means it has a better transmission and black interior and some little things on it. Tail lights are different. Headlights do come sometimes different. The front bumper comes different. There's a little bit of tweaks you can do with them. I really like the 2003 and above. They're a lot rarer. There's not as many of them. But in my pocket, I do have a list of 5 things, if I can find it. Oh yeah, here we go. 5 things that I love about the Celica GTS. I'm gonna start out with 5 things that I absolutely love, and then next video I'm gonna do 5 things that I do not like about the Toyota Celica GTS. First and foremost, the first thing that I love is that it's a 6-speed manual transmission on a Toyota. Let's go ahead and jump over there. I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. So here's my transmission right here. Here's my transmission. You always got to put the clutch in, so let me grab the clutch real quick. So throw the clutch in, you got to do first, and then you got second, and then you got third, fourth, fifth, and a 6. Look at that, a 6. That is so awesome. That is absolutely why I bought this car originally, I gotta be honest with you. Yeah, absolutely, 100%, that's the reason I bought this car. My friend showed up when I was younger and I first got one of these, and the reason I wanted it was because it's a 6-speed manual. Everything else was 5. When I thought 6-speed in my head, I was like, this is back in the day, this is like early 2000s. I was like, 6-speed, that's high quality, that's cool. You know, not even like the M5 had a 6-speed, I don't think, back then. I think it was a 5-speed, I'm not sure. But I remember any car that had a 6-speed, that was the one that I wanted to be part of. So the Toyota Celica GTS came with a 6-speed transmission. That is the first thing I absolutely adore about this transmission. They call it a C64 or a C60 transmission, and it is awesome. Absolutely adore it. They're pretty good as long as you take care of them. Now on the 2003 and above, they're even better transmissions, and I absolutely adore this transmission. It's pretty cool that I get to own one. The next thing that I love, reason number 2 we're gonna jump onto, is I'm gonna pop open the hood and show you. Reason number 2. There you go. Reason number 2, right here. One day I should have got hood struts for this thing. Reason number 2 is this right here. This is my favorite awesome thing ever. That right there is called a 2ZZ. So this right here is a Toyota 2ZZ right here. I absolutely love it. It's a 1.8 liter, 4 cylinders, dual overhead cams, and it has VVT-LI. That's what this says right here. It says VVT-LI. I love the VVT-LI. What that is, it's like lift, or it is lift. It's like VTEC. What happens is that when you floor it and you go over, or when you're driving and the engine revs past 6,000 RPMs, it changes a cam, and the lobe allows more oils to come in. What it does is it just gives you a bunch of more horsepower. It truly feels like it has a turbo built into it. I'll go ahead and turn the car on and let you guys listen to why I love it. So that right there is reason number 2, the 2ZZ motor. I absolutely love it. It has VVT-LI. It's so cool when you're flooring it, and then it crosses over and it feels like you have this chest, this feeling of euphoric power. It's very addicting. If you've never driven one or have never hit that feeling, it is absolutely wonderful. Now, if you do it with a little bit of forced induction, you're really talking some extremely awesome, true vibes of car enthusiasts. It's a great feeling. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the 2ZZ real quick. Now, the next reason is self-explanatory. It just explains itself. It's the aesthetics. The car looks so good. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. The design is like 20 years old, and it looks more fast, more aesthetic than any car on the road. I It's like a mini Lambo in my opinion. It is so sharp. Look at that. And they call it the crescent moon right here. Oh, the RSX looks nothing like that. That is just one of a kind, unique, beautiful, aesthetic car. The commercials for this was even, it looks fast. It looks fast, that looks fast. I absolutely love it. So if you're looking for a sharp looking car, like if you think like a Hyundai Tiburon or whatever that was, or an RSX or a Miata or something like that, they have nothing on this car. This car has the most aerodynamic aesthetic. It's one of the most aerodynamic cars that Toyota ever made. Absolutely gorgeous, and you can really see that they went and said, you know what, we're gonna make this Celica heavenly, we're gonna make it beautiful, and they really did a great job with it. So that's the next reason. Number 3 is purely aesthetics. So my next reason is pretty practical. It's MPG. This car gets such good gas mileage, insanely good gas mileage. It really does get good gas mileage. For how old it is and being a 1.8, also having a lot of get up and go to make you feel like you're going really fast, especially around town. It's super zippy around town, but the gas mileage is insane. If you troll it and do a really good job of throwing it into 6th gear frequently and never revving it over 3,000 RPMs, you truly can get like 34 miles per gallon in this car. And you can fit so much stuff in the back of that hatch. It's an awesome car. If you're looking for a commuter car, beautiful, beautiful. I get a lot of people saying, hey, I want one of those for a commuter car. Is it a good commuter car? Absolutely, really good gas mileage. You cannot hate on a car that looks as cool as this and gets as good gas mileage. I absolutely love the gas. So this last reason, number 5, the reason that I really love this car is because I've always liked to have fun, fast cars, and I like to drive a car with fun and fast. That being said, this has Toyota reliability. It really, really does have Toyota reliability. The clutch on these things are amazing. The OEM clutch will literally last pretty much the entire life of the car, unless you abuse it, but it really does last absolutely forever. So I think that's one of the biggest reasons too. If you're looking for a reliable, fun sports car, this is the reliable fun sports car. There's nothing as reliable as this. I promise you. It's like having a Toyota Corolla that just goes forever, but with a beautiful fun sports car. I have owned like Mitsubishis, and within like just owning a Mitsubishi for a little bit, the 3 that I've owned, they all had issues. Toyota's on its own pedestal of reliability. So that's a good reason. Those are awesome reasons. 1, you got to get the 6-speed. 2, it comes with the 2ZZ, which will change your world if you've never driven a 2ZZ. It's the best thing ever. Aesthetics, look at that car. It's sick. Look at the intro. The intro of this video is awesome. Number 4, MPG, good gas mileage. You got to love that. It's affordable. And number 5, keeping back on that affordable, you get reliability. It's a great car. Those are 5 reasons why I love it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to hit the like button. On the next video when I release it, it'll be 5 things I hate about the car, which is really hard to do, but I hope you guys like this button. Stay tuned for my LOTUS ELISE 2ZZ turboed, my MR2 SPYDER, Toyota 2ZZ, and then of course this 2ZZ baby. So if you want a 2ZZ, come on over to this channel. I also got my Evo. If you guys like that too, make sure to hit the like button for the Evo. I'll see you on the next video.